Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a sound check at Microphone, the recording studio, on August the 2nd, on Friendship's Day. As you can know, this is a Sunday and you can already hear a lot of noise behind me in the locality. Now, I'm going to be taking you from the external noise to the internal soundproof room. So, enjoy. This is the reception area. As you can hear, my voice must be echoing, and you can see the external. Also, there is a lot of noise that actually gets floated in. Now we're going to be going into the mix room. Welcome to the mix room. These are the absorbers on the back wall, and we have DJ Rooney in the house, who's playing one of his recent mixes. And now I'll take you to the soundproof vocal booth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the vocal booth. This is where we do the actual recording. As you can see, this is what represents us the best: a microphone at the microphone studio. These are bounces of the door, and we have acoustically designed absorbers at on the ceiling. To give you a test of sound, I will take you back into the mix room.
That's the big man who's shooting the video.
And this is the soundproof room. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Microphone.